guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be trying Selena Gomez Rare Beauty Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream. So they have 12 shades, but I only ordered 7 of them because I'm mostly interested in 7 shades. I'll divide them into 3 categories. One is towards brown color, and then it's in pink color, and the last one is the red color. Overall, I'm really excited to try this, and I watched a lot of videos and I'm surprised by their color, and I like Selena Gomez as a person, as a celebrity. I just feel like she has this really good positive vibe. I hope this product is really good, and let's jump right in. The first shade is Courage. I like this packaging. Just all matte finish. Yeah, it just feels good. It looks expensive. This is a very nude color. I can see myself wearing this every day. It's really moisturizing. It feels great on your lips. It's really easy to apply. The next one is Fearless. Oh, I love it. It just feels great on your lips. I like this shade better than the first one. Okay, now the last one in the brown category is Brave. I don't usually wear orange lip gloss, lip cream, but it's not bad. Now let's move on to the pink shades. So the 2 pink shades I got are Energize and Heroic. Let's try Energize first. Wow, this is so pink. This might be too much for me, but yeah, let's do it. I don't know, wow, pink. Not bad. This is a very pink shade. If you're into pink lipsticks, then here you go. So the next pink color is Heroic. This is a purple pink color. Great shades for fall and winter. I'm just really into dark shades now. It also feels really soft on your lips. So the next category is the red color. I have Inspire and Transform. I think Selena's favorite is Inspire, so I'm going to try this one last. The first up is Transform. This is a really dark shade. Oh, wow. I really didn't apply a lot. It's just the one dip. It's amazing how much color it shows on your lips. A perfect dark shade of red. Okay, let's try the last color, Inspire. This is just a really bright, really pretty red color, and I love it. I love all the red shades I picked. Transform is a very dark red, and then this one is a bright red color. Oh, I love it. Yes, that's it. That's all 7 shades I got from Rare Beauty. At $20 price point, I'm really impressed by the quality, by the color, and by the feel on your lips. This is really all in all a very good product. If I wanted to pick 3 favorites from the 7 shades, the first one is going to be Transform, because I'm just a die-hard fan of dark red shade. And then the next one is Inspire, just because it's Selena's favorite, and this is a very beautiful bright red color. And then the third is gonna be Fearless. I can see myself wear it on a daily basis because it's just a very low-key nude color. So yeah, that's all my favorite. Leave a comment below, let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.